Hi everybody, I'm here. I'm going to give you a beautiful tour of these rooms. These rooms are new. Hello, Shamir. Oh my God, look how spacious. Look at the light. Look at this state-of-the-art bathroom. What? Oh, I love this. Hello, Miami. Hello, Kim. Okay, this is like brand spanking new.
Yeah, and you have the robes.
Which is really rare. When you have the robes, you have everything you need, all your enemies. You know what's really rare is that you have it brand new. When was this built?
2015.
2015, so it's only 3-4 years old?
Yeah.
Wow, okay, look at this. Do you want to just jump on this bed? And what I like, it just smells so crisp and clean in here. It's not like muggy and hot like some other South Beach hotels. Okay, we have our amenities here. You have your coffee.
Full bar.
Beautiful. Oh, full bar, but we're going to be good. No drinking on this wellness retreat. Water, lots of water. We have our beautiful table here. And let's just talk about this floor to wall ceiling with this view here. Oh my God, this is absolutely gorgeous. So all rooms have this floor to wall ceiling, yes? Okay, great. And then we have tons of closet space because I know these ladies are gonna be bringing their beautiful dresses and swimsuits. Okay, I love it. I'm gonna be jumping on this bed. So guys, you cannot get any better than this. This is waiting for you. Come to the JNL VIP 2020 Wellness Fun Fitness Retreat. If you feel like you need a fitness vacation with the most amazing women and me as your coach, do it. JNLVIP2020.com. And I'm in love with these rooms. Thank you so much, Shamir.
You're so welcome.
I'll see you guys soon. Bye-bye.